Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone full brightness but still dark. If you're using any iPhone and you have still full brightness on your iPhone but your iPhone is still dark, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you just have to open up your settings app. In settings, just scroll down and look for accessibility option. Simply tap on it and here select display and text size. And here you just have to scroll down until you get the reduce white point. You just have to disable that settings. Once you have disabled, your phone's brightness will be maximum. Now you can easily maximize or minimize your brightness from your quick settings. So in this way you can easily fix if your iPhone brightness is full but still dark. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.